you got a Toyota 2.5 liter engine, 2.4 liter engine, I'm sorry, and you have the spark plug holes on the top like this. Now the valve cover has a seal here that goes all the way around and also seals each chamber from the spark plugs. Now if you have like a misfire code, you got one cylinder misfiring constantly or intermittently, what you will want to do is take out the coils, all right, and look in the cylinders. And this one is okay. This one is okay. Now look at this one. It's got oil filling up, and this one's okay. This one's got oil almost right to the top of the spark plug. Now what's that doing is it's shorting out to the cylinder head, and every now and then the spark plug is igniting, and that's what's giving you the misfire. So this is just a quick tip that you have a misfire. It could be a lot of other things, but if you have this type of engine, the 2.4 Toyota, what you want to do is check to make sure you have no oil in any of those cylinders. I took the valve cover off to show you, see? These are the seals that they seal. They dry out or whatever. The oil splashing up here can leak in there like it did over here. That means that this whole valve cover gasket should be replaced.